Here, I'm using the IP address 192.168.0.90. Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to view the IP address of an S7-1200 PLC. First, open the T-Portal software and then create a project. I have already created a project here to save your time. Then we click on Project View. After you click on Project View, the screen will display the project view. To view the IP address of the S7-1200 PLC, the next step is to connect the S7-1200 PLC to the computer using an Ethernet cable. Right. After you connect the Ethernet cable, we will go to the Online Access section. Next, we select the Intel connection part. Double-click on Update Accessible Devices. After you click on Update Accessible Devices, in the Info section, some notifications will appear. For example, scanning for device on interface. And after the scanning process is finished, you can see it under the Intel Internet Connection folder. It will display a folder named PLC1 with the IP address 192.168.0.90. This is the IP address of the PLC that is connected to the computer. Double-click on the folder and then select the Online and Diagnostics option. After you click on Online and Diagnostics, a diagnostic window will appear. It contains all the information about the PLC. For example, the PLC type. Here, I am using a PLC which is a CP1215 CD/DE/DC. And this is the article number of the PLC. An important piece of information you need to pay attention to is the firmware. Here, I'm using a PLC with firmware v30.2. The firmware information is very important because when you create a project, you must select the firmware that matches the PLC you are using. Right, that is the PLC's information. After the Online and Diagnostics window appears, we can view the IP address by selecting the Functions section and then selecting Assign IP address. In this section, you can see the MSC address of the PLC. Additionally, we can also see the IP address and subnet mask. Here, I'm using the IP address 192.168.0.90. You can use this IP address to download a program to the PLC or upload a program from the PLC. Alright, I'll end this video here. Thanks for watching.